Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality with beautiful Vidarbha borders. A very elegant collection, completely acid washed, beautiful, very soft Tassa fabric. Here we have a multiple blue and a maroon printed color given in the pallu. The 6 inches exclusive Vidarbha border, Zari Vidarbha it is, with the body color pallu, blouse piece. Pallu is contrast and blouse piece is in body color. It's a very different concept in the saree. Base color is mild green mix yellow, almost cream, and on it the sea blue color is given for the stripe pattern. All over the saree stripe pattern is given with royal blue prints on it. Leaf pattern is printed here, one at a row in the top and two at a row in the bottom. And we also have the maroon borders here, a very different concept, exclusive collection saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on premium acid wash foil Tassa fabric. Here we have a mustard yellow with mild green pinch pallu, a green and yellow mix with Pochambali peacocks design prints in the pallu. Also we have zari lines. Same green and mustard mixed color blouse piece with one side printed border, very different one. The complete saree is a very exclusive piece here, beautiful designing. The saree is in very pastel, mild green shade, olive in a very light and mild shade with the prints all over using pink color, floral prints. And we also have the borders of the saree printed using dark coffee brown color. Borders again are done on the same body color itself. Excellent combination, a beautiful designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree, a very elegant bright and dark shade pink, very elegantly given. Same color pallu with block prints vertically as well as vertical zari lines in golden zari. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with borders both sides. And the saree here is a running concept, same color with all over printing design, closely printed beautiful floral design using half white, and we also have a border design in the top and a beautiful, very different, almost the peacock and fish pattern printed in the lower borders. Half white is used for printing completely. The borders alone have blue prints. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon shade pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same maroon blouse piece, and we have one side mild peach color borders which can be used for the sleeves. The body is very different here, kind of half saree model. The top half is completely a mild peach and skin color mixed shade with the borders having beautiful prints in royal blue, and the lower portion is completely printed using royal blue, the Pochambali kind designing all over the saree. Like it is a half saree model, very beautifully it's been done, an excellent and beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful bright and dark shade pink color, same color blouse piece and pallu. The pallu here is having zari lines as well as the village pattern printed all over using half white color. Beautiful small prints, and the same print is having in the blouse piece also one side, plain blouse piece with just the one side printing design. The complete saree is having a beautiful golden zari border, and you can see a beautiful Kodi design printed in the body of the saree along with the borders having the village pattern printed. A very elegant and beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful orange with a mild peach shade, a peach almost with beautiful shade color. It is very bright too with Pochambali peacock design printed in the pallu and zari lines. Same color blouse piece with one side printed border. Very different collection, a new launch. And we have a light, very light pastel shade, pista green, like the saree is almost half white with mild green tinge, and the complete printing is done using green here, floral design. And we also have a border design running throughout the borders of the saree, and the complete zari borders on the base, same body color. Excellent printing design, a very new concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pallu as well as the body blouse are in same color. Brown shade here, dark brown, beautiful color with zari lines and block printed vertical designs in the pallu. And we have same color plain blouse piece with zari border, the golden beautiful zari border all over. And one side we have the blouse piece with a beautiful printed border as well. The saree here is completely printed with mild design, small as well as big buttas, closely weaved one with border design also done in the all side borders. Very elegant and beautiful one, very rare color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash foil Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple pallu, very elegant Pochumballi peacock design printed in the pallu along with the zari lines, and same purple blouse piece with one side printed border, and that border is in the body color. A very elegant shade saree, beautiful light green shade, turquoise light shade color, a pastel shade with the prints completely in orange, floral printing, and we also have a brown shade printed in the borders of the saree along over borders, and we also have the borders in golden zari in same body color base. Excellent printing, a beautiful designing too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, a beautiful boiled acid washed Tassa fabric. Here we have a very elegant light sea green color, a turquoise green with mild blue tinge, a very elegant color here. Same color pallu with zari lines and beautiful block printed floral pattern done using half white color. Same color blouse piece with one side the floral pattern printed in the blouse piece as well. And the saree here is also the same shade with beautiful two different colors used for printing in a square shape floral buttas. Those are in blue as well as white. And we also have the florals done in the both side borders. Elegant saree, very different printing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari Vidarbha borders, an exclusive 6-inch Vidarbha border here, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa. And here we have a multicolored pallu, black royal blue as well as tomato red is given the pallu with zari lines, and black blouse piece, a very contrast blouse piece with the Vidarbha borders. The complete saree is in a beautiful cream base color, and the stripes pattern all over. The stripes are done using the same pallu concept, black, blue and red. And we also have the black floral pattern printed all over. The zari border, the Vidarbha border is also on black base here. An excellent new concept exclusive design sarees with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, Vidarbha borders, an exclusive collection. Very elegant 6-inch Vidarbha zari border with temple design, gold zari used for it. And we have a green pallu here with block printed design in royal blue and white, and same green blouse piece. It's almost in a dark olive green color. And the saree is in beautiful copper sulphate blue, mild green mix blue it is. On it the triangular shape block prints is used here, royal blue and white used for the geometric pattern printing, both bottom as well as in top we have prints. Bottom triangle is a little bigger one with the Vidarbha borders printed on the dark green color, the olive green. Very elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown shade color saree completely with same color. The pallu also have same color with beautiful vertical block printed design, also with lines as well as zari lines one side. You can see the beautiful plain blouse piece in same color. With both sides we have a block printed border design as well as a zari border. The saree all over also have white and black prints, geometric pattern, very elegantly done along with the zari borders. The concept of the saree as well as the color of the saree is very different with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with same color pallu. Pallu have beautiful printing as well vertically. Mango design is printed with black and white color bases, and we also have the golden zari vertical lines portion. And same red is given for the pallu blouse piece also with both sides printed design. Very elegant red it is. It's a kind of mild maroon shade red it is. Beautiful shade with all over printing design, closely printed, beautiful one with the borders also having a beautiful half white color prints. Simple and elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Here we have an exclusive design zari border, tri-layer zari border design. Beautiful one, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. And the color of the saree here is a royal blue with the same color pallu, black block prints as well as zari lines in the pallu. And we have same color blouse piece, running concept blouse piece. And the saree here is a very beautiful pattern, completely blue plain body with the border design. We have a beautiful zigzag line pattern on black base, and white base we have the very beautiful Bengali village pattern design. Excellently printed using black, elegant, simple and beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brown saree, a beautiful shade of deep brown color, very elegant pallu, same color pallu, body color with a block printed design as well as a zari lines pattern vertically done, and same brown blouse piece with one side the printed design. It's almost like a temple, but it is a very different one. Using half white, the same border design is completely done all over the three borders of the saree, and we have a prints done closely here in the body, which is done in blue and half white. A traditional beautiful design, closely printed design too, simple yet very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving, very elegant embroidery worked pallu on net fabric. You can see the beautiful net fabric here, soft and very elegant one. Fully embroidery worked pallu, very elegant colors used, the grey as well as light white and orange is used. And we have same body color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with zari borders. The whole saree zari border runs, and here we have a light grey color, beautiful pastel shade saree. The Dupian finishing is very pretty on this particular color. Excellent weaving, completely hand woven with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with beautiful exclusive tri-layer zari border design. Zari border, here we have 3 layers, golden zari. The color of the saree is a beautiful pastel green with pink prints in the pallu, and we have zari lines as well. The same border running in the blouse piece also, running color pallu and blouse piece. Complete saree is in beautiful pastel green with mild yellow tinges here and there. A very beautiful lady dancing design block prints that is done using the pink color, peachy pink, and you can see the very elegant borders in both sides. Excellent, elegant, simple saree with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very beautiful netted pallu, embroidery work done on the netted fabric. Very beautiful design. You can see the soft net fabric on it. The embroidery twig design with floral embroidery work is done. And here we have the blouse that is also in the saree color. The complete saree have a golden zari border in both sides. The saree here is beautiful, dark shade pink color. Beautiful pink it is. With the Dupian finish weaving, completely hand weaved, excellent saree with the zari borders. Beautiful weaving, excellent embroidery work, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari Vidarbha borders. Here we have a exclusive 6 inches zari Vidarbha temple border one done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Pallu is also in the body color here, a mild rust peach color with zari lines and block prints, and same color plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in same color, a pastel shade it is, mild rust and peach mix color with the contrast colors used for the printing. Green used for the body prints, and blue, red and Kodi pattern is also done in the contrast colors. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue shade pallu, elegant pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same blue blouse piece. It's almost an Ananda blue shade with very elegant pallu color, one side border. The saree here is in a beautiful printing design, almost an ajrak type designing, printed all over using half white, blue, yellow shades as well, multiple shades in all over the saree. You can see the beautiful finish of it. A very elegant one, very different one too, with the borders in the pallu color base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue saree, a light sky blue color, very elegant one with same color pallu. Pallu have vertical block prints as well as zari lines, and we have the running color blouse piece as well. Plain blouse piece with zari borders both sides. And the saree here is very beautifully simple work is done, small prints all over the design, and we have a border design as well. Complete printing is done using half white here with beautiful blue base on the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink shade saree, a sweet pink with same color pallu, and we have a big and thick design done in the block printing as well as in the zari lines in the pallu vertically, and same color blouse piece, a very elegant blouse piece with one side block printed temple design border. The saree here is a closely printed design with beautiful blue as well as half white used for printing. A very different design it is, and it is closely print, and the temple design adds the beauty to the borders. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a purple saree, complete purple with very elegant pallu. The pallu have a beautiful portion of black on it. The prints are done and it's looking really fantastic. We also have the zari lines as usual with plain blouse piece that is also in purple shade with the zari borders. The complete zari borders here are done using bright gold shade color. You can see the beautiful prints in the body, half white used for the printing. A very different and beautiful design, closely printed with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree. Complete saree is in red, even the pallu with block prints and zari lines in the pallu, and same red running blouse piece in the saree. You can see plain blouse piece with beautiful zari border. On one side a block printed border. The complete block printing here is done using a very elegant half white shade itself. A mild small prints all over with border design also printed. Beautiful one, very simple but very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a Ananda blue saree. The complete saree is in beautiful blue shade. The pallu also, and we have the block printed design in the pallu along with the zari lines, and we have same color plain blouse piece. A beautiful blouse piece with one side we have the beautiful borders as well, which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is in completely printed pattern, a lotus design printed using half white, and it is very closely printed. You can see it visibly with the border design also printed using brown and blue. Excellent concept, beautifully done with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu, a bluish grey color pallu with zari lines and zari border, and we have same grey blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree here is in a Ananda blue shade, very light shade, very elegant shade too. The complete printing is done using dark navy blue color. Excellent prints, the village pattern as well as a floral combinedly used here with zari borders in the mild bluish grey shade. Excellent and simple saree but elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with pink pallu. It's a very beautiful shade of pink, almost a sweet pink shade with block prints as well as zari lines in the pallu, and we have same color, a running color blouse piece with one side beautiful block printed design in the blouse piece, and the zari border runs in the pallu too. And here the body is also in the pink shade, very elegant border design, almost like a column design in the rangoli, and we have beautiful prints all over done using dark maroonish brown shade. The leaf pattern, elegant one, beautiful print with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a complete single color saree, brown color, and block prints as well as zari lines in the pallu. Plain blouse piece, completely a running concept one. The saree is also in same color with green for the block prints. Only the block prints are in contrary here. Complete single color. Beautiful one, simple yet very elegant with authentic silk.